We're getting an information that Kapil Sibal is likely to represent the Rajasthan Speaker with regards to his plea in the Supreme Court against the pilot camp. Kapil Sibal could in fact fight it out for the Speaker in the Supreme Court. Remember, CP Joshi was being represented in the Rajasthan High Court by Abhishek Manu Singhvi, and now we understand that senior Congress leader Kapil Sibal could be roped in for the legal battle in the Supreme Court. Let's take this across to our reporters on the ground. We have Maushami Singh, who's getting us the latest from Jaipur. Anisha Mathur also getting us all the latest updates from the national capital. Anisha, to you first. What are the details we're picking up about the legal team that's being put together by both sides for the Supreme Court battle?
Well, what information we are getting right now is that this petition that the Speaker CP Joshi referred to in his press conference just a short few minutes ago is being currently prepared. It is likely that senior advocate Kapil Sibal, who is also a senior a member of the Congress party, will be appearing in the Supreme Court for this matter. But remember, this petition has not yet been filed. So what we have right now are the legal grounds that could be used by the Speaker to challenge the the Rajasthan High Court's order. What is also going to be important to note is that the Speaker is likely to say that under the Constitution, Article 212, the Speaker is the authority to take decisions when it comes to what is happening in the Parliament, until such time as the Speaker's decision is taken. It is only the final order that can be challenged in the court, and the show cause notice itself should not have been challenged, and the High Court should not have taken up this matter. What he is also likely to argue is that there are precedent judgments of the Supreme Court, including most recently in the Karnataka MLA's matter, where the court has very clearly said that the Speaker's decision can be challenged only on limited grounds. The jurisdiction of the courts has to be exercised with caution, and that is something the Supreme Court has said in several judgments. So we'll have to see what happens when this petition is actually filed, because what we also need to remember is that the High Court is set to hear the matter on the 24th. It had only asked the Speaker to not take a decision till the High Court had heard the matter. Further, there is the Speaker himself had last week agreed to the High Court's request to not take decisions till Monday. So if there is an extension of the same issue, then whether the Supreme Court will even take up this matter on such an urgent basis is something we'll have to wait and see.
All right, let me take this across also to Maushami to understand all the political repercussions of this particular move by the Speaker. Maushami, this is a development that the Gehlot camp will welcome, because after the High Court order came in yesterday, it was viewed as a morale booster for the Sachin pilot camp. So the Gehlot camp will be happy that this particular fight is now reaching the Supreme Court.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.